Want to know how to share your group in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. Just simply head towards identifytheplantnet.org and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in as well. So on the top left side, you should be seeing Explore. Just simply hover on it. So once you have hovered on it, you should be seeing various options. Just simply head towards groups right here, that should be right below contributions. So once you're under groups, here you should be seeing my groups, that should be right beside create a group. So you can just simply select that and now you can see the group that you had joined and created. Now since we are accessing the group we have created, just simply select the group that says administrator. So once you have selected that, on the right side you should be seeing share right here as I have marked. So once you have selected share, here you can see your link and you can also see your contacts that could be done through your phone if you're on your laptop, a phone link, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and you can also see more apps if you have it installed. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.